Today I'm going to be cleaning my Jag. The carpets are all dirty and shit. So I'm going to get a before and then an after. You see, carpets are pretty dirty. I got some trash lying around. Ugh, damn, Ouija board. Spooky. Tried playing that, nothing happened. More trash. Maybe I'll fix this door while I'm at it. Find a mess in here. Yeah, these carpets are really dirty. Got that tore apart because I was trying to do some electrical work. Still can't figure out what's going wrong. Hopefully one day I will. So, yeah, let's get to cleaning. Riley's receipt. Oh wow, that was some work that was done on the car. Might want to keep that. Oh, and a dimmer switch. Definitely keeping that. We'll just put that back in here with some other junk. And some stuff a friend left in here. Nice. Drum brakes. What in the world? If anyone wants to read that, they can. Just love these random fucking pamphlets that they always are handing out. Receipts. Now I got most of the big stuff. I want to start the vacuuming now. If anyone's wondering, for the longest time I couldn't find the drains for the AC. They're right here. They like to get clogged and the water backs up and starts pouring out of your blower motor. If anyone is wondering, they're right here. It took me forever to find someone that had information where they're at. The carpet back up there. So yeah. Got them clean all the windows, and now for the part that everyone loves the most, the carpet cleaner. That's good enough for me. It looks a lot better than it did before. I mean, still got some spots, but still it's better. You know I gotta film this. This is all the dirty water. Oh, it looks like chocolate milk. I love carpet cleaners. Alrighty. Done cleaning the after. How did dirt already get there? I just cleaned it. Wipe down the dash and everything. Not covered in dust anymore. Carpet's nice and clean. Door's not wiped down. Need to fix the handle because that just broke. Back looks nicer. Nice and clean. Over here, which was like one of the worst carpets, looks pretty good now. So yeah, that's all for this video. So if you liked it, give it a like. If you want to see more videos on my car, then subscribe.